Assalamualaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Muhammad Imdadul Haq, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a higher math class of class 9. Our today's topic is assignment 1. It means that today I will solve the question of higher math assignment 1 of the session 2021. The assignment provided by the government. Okay, dear students, now see the question at first. First one, described relation. Here a relation is given. In this relation, if you notice here, you will see two sets. One is set of children, another is set of mother. The elements of the set children are x, y, z. It means here the children are x, y and z, and the mothers are a, b, c. And here is another function given. Here is a function given, f(x) equal to 3x plus 5 divided by x minus 3. Now question A. If the described relation is a function, what type of function that is present with logic? To answer question A, at first we have to know when a relation is said to be a function. Dear students, a relation is said to be a function if every elements of the first set, it means if every elements of the first set corresponds to unique elements of second set. It means that if we express the relation, using the set, we will get from the set here x is corresponds to a, x is corresponds to a, y corresponds to b, y corresponds to b, z corresponds to b, z corresponds to b. It means image of x is a, image of y is b, and image of z is c. So we can denote the relation in this way. From the given described relation, we can express the relation as follows. Here the relation, if we denote by R, then we will get the set R equal to set of all ordered pairs of x a, y b and z b from the given relation. Here x, y, z are children and a, b, c are mother. Okay, so from this we can see that all the first element of the ordered pairs here x, y, z are different. As all the first elements of the ordered pair are different, so this relation is known as function. So the relation is known as function. So we can say a relation is said to be a function. A relation is said to be a function if we don't get two or more different ordered pair whose first element is same. Then the relation is said to be function. As all the first elements are different here, x, y and z, so this relation is said to be a function. We have written in the relation R, there is no different ordered pair whose first element is same. So the relation R is function, that is the given relation children to mother. It means this relation children to mother is a function. Then the rest part, what type of function that is present with logic? It means that this function, we have to say the type of the function. Dear students, see this function here, Here we are getting the elements, 3 elements in the domain and 3 elements in the codomain, and in the range we are getting the elements a and b. It means the range is only ab, and here is an element c which is not image of any element of the domain. So in this case we are getting the range ab and codomain abc. It means that range is a proper subset of codomain. If the range is a proper subset of the codomain, if the range is a proper subset of the codomain of a function, then the function is said to be into function. Now for this I have written again, we know when the range of a function is proper subset of codomain, the function is said to be into function. Observe that the range AB is a proper subset of codomain ABC. It means that this set of range elements of the images is a proper subset of the codomain. So the described relation is an into function. It means that the described function is an into function. Okay, dear students, now we are going to next question B. Question B, what is question B? Whether the inverse function of 1, it means of this relation, is possible or not present with logic. We have to present that the inverse function of the relation 1 is possible or not. To show that, at first we have to know the inverse relation of the given relation. From the given relation we can determine the inverse relation here. Inverse relation of the described function is, as this is children to mother, so this will be mother to children. Here are mothers are A, B, C and children X, Y, Z. Here X is a image of A, Y is an image of B and Z is an image of B also. Dear students, if you notice here, from this relation mother to children, we can determine the relation R inverse. It means inverse relation of 1. So we can write from the above, we can say that the inverse relation of the given described relation is R inverse, that is A corresponds to X, B corresponds to Y and B corresponds to Z, B corresponds to Z. Where BY and BZ are two ordered pairs, these two ordered pairs are different, but their first element is B, it means first element is same. So this relation is not a function, it means R inverse is not a function. The relation R inverse is not a function. As the relation is not a function, so this function will not be an inverse function. It means that R inverse will not be an inverse function. So we can say, therefore the inverse function of the described function is not possible. It means that the inverse function of the described function is not possible. Okay, now we have solved question B. We have to solve question C now. What is question C? Present opinion with logic whether 2 is the function 2 is 1 function and onto function or not. It means that we have to check the given function in 2 is 1 or onto or not. We have to check that. Dear students, you know a function is said to be 1 if we get two different elements in domain. We will get the different images. If the images are same, then the elements will be also same. Using this technique, we can prove the given function is 1 or 1 is not, is 1 or not, is 1 or not. We can check. So we have written the given function 2 is fx equal to 3x plus 5 by x minus 3. I have written here where x is not equal to 3. I have imposed the condition x is not equal to 3. The reason is, if we put the value of x is 3 here, this function fx will be undefined. For this, we need to impose the condition x is not equal to 3 here. Now, the function f is said to be 1 function if for every x1 x2 belongs to dom f. It means if we consider two elements in domain, there exists image of these two elements fx1 and fx2. It means if the images are same, then the elements will be same such that x1 equal to x2. It means that if the images of two elements of the function is same, then the domain will be also same. So now check fx1 equal to fx2. How can we get fx1? Here fx1 means we have to put x1 in respect of x. So we can write here 3x1 plus 5 by x1 minus 3. This will be fx1, and fx2 is we have to replace x by x2 plus 5, and here will be x2 minus 3. So this is fx1 and this is fx2. Now put the value of fx1 and fx2, then calculate. We need to multiply this diagonal. If we multiply, this will be 3x1 x2 and then 5x2, 3x1 x2, 5x2, then minus 3 3s are 9x1 and plus and minus is minus, 3 5s are 15, then here is equal, then multiply this diagonal, 3x1 x2 here, then 5x1, then we have to multiply by minus 3, so minus 3 3s are 9x2, plus and minus is minus, 3 5s are 15. Now see the left side here, this 3x1 and x2 and this 3x1 and x2 in both sides, so these are same, we can cut this 2. Here minus 15 minus 15, so same, we can cut this 2. So 5x2 minus 9x1 is equal to 5x1 equal to minus 9x2. So we can write this. Now we can take the variable x1 in one side and x2 in another side. So I have written 5x1, 5x2 at first and 9x2 in this side, as this is negative in right side, so this will be positive in left side. So we have written 5x1 here and 9x1 is negative here, so if we change the side it will be positive. Now add this 5x2 and 9x2, this will be 14x2, and add 5x1 and 9x1, you will get 14x1. Just interchange the left hand side and right hand side. Now we can divide both sides by 14. If we divide by 14, we will get here x1 equal to x2. Dear students, our condition was if the images are same, then the elements will be same. Here we have shown that from the images of same image, we are getting the same elements. It means that the function f is 1 1. So we can say therefore the function f is 1 1 function. Now we have to check the function fx is onto or not. We have to check that. Dear students, a function f or fx is said to be onto if we get, or for every y belongs to range, there exists x belongs to domain such that fx equal to y. It means that for every y there exists, y belongs to range f, there exists x belongs to dom f such that fx equal to y. So we need to remember that we have to consider some x such that for this value of x, if we get the image y, then we can say the function is said to be onto. For this I have taken x equal to 3y plus 5 by y minus 3. Dear students, now you may ask, how can we consider x equal to 3y plus 5 by y minus 3? How can we write? To write this you can use a technique here. Here the given function is fx equal to 3x plus 5 by x minus 3. You can consider fx equal to y, then you will get 3x plus 5 and x minus 3. Now you need to determine the value of x from this. Determine the value of x. You will get here xy minus 3y. That will be equal to 3x minus 3x plus 5. Then you will get here, take x in left side, xy minus 3x, and you will get here 3y plus 5. Then take x's common, y minus 3. So you will get 3y plus 5 here. What does it mean? It means that value of x will be equal to 3y plus 5 divided by y minus 3. So using this technique we can consider x using this technique. Here x is 3y plus 5 by y minus 3. So for this I have written x equal to 3y plus 5 by y minus 3. Now put this value in the function. We know the function given function is f(x) equal to 3x plus 5 by x minus 3. Now put the value of x equal to 3y plus 5 by y minus 3. So we can write here in respect of x we can write 3y plus 5 by y minus 3 then plus 5. Then here will be also same value 3y plus 5 by y minus 3. Now you can calculate here. If you calculate you will get in the numerator y minus 3 will be the LCM, and then if you multiply this by 3 you will get 3 3s are 9y and 3 5s are 15. Then as we are doing the LCM here we have to consider here is 5, so we have to multiply by 5. This will be 5y and plus minus is minus, 5 3s are 15, and this is the LCM y minus 3. Now do the LCM here, and here will be the fraction. So as I have given here multiplication, this will be reciprocal. So we can take y minus 3 the LCM in the numerator, and when we will calculate here we will get the denominator 3y plus 5, write 3y plus 5, then here is minus 3, so multiply this by minus 3, 3y minus 3y, then you will get minus minus is plus, 3 3s are 9. So you can calculate now here is 9y positive, 5y positive, so total will be 14y, minus 15 and plus 15 vanishes. So we can write here this, and this y minus 3 vanishes. 3y plus and 3y minus, these two vanishes. Here is 5 and 9 both are positive, so sum will be 14. Now we can cut 14 and 14, we will get only y. It means that we have shown that f(x) equal to y. This means y. It means f(x) equal to y. We have determined. We have told that if we can show f(x) equal to y, then the function is said to be onto. So we can say therefore the function f is onto function. Dear students, I hope you have understood the total solution of assignment 1. Practice this at home, and you can arrange the language you can solve using your language and submit your assignment timely. Okay, dear students. So in the next class we will come again with the another topic from your higher math. Stay with us and be safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu